house and we find clues. You turn around. Lying, you stupid. Oh my God! Mother Regina, please pass out. Guys, the emergency.
Dude, Chad! What happened, Daniel? Me? I did not miss your burp.
We've been a lot. I'm filming. You look for clues.
I don't see anything!
All right, Regina, I'll help you out. I'll look for clues too.
Daniel!
What do you guys say? Did I do all the challenges right? Did I earn all 5 pieces of the Ninja Star?
Yeah!